In this video, I'll demonstrate how to edit org-wide meeting policy in the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to configure settings that apply to all of an organization's users. To get started, open the Microsoft Teams Admin Center at admin.teams.microsoft.com. Then select Meetings, followed by Meeting Policies. Below the Meeting Policies summary is a list of policies in your organization. To edit the org-wide meeting policy, select Global Org-wide Default. This policy is assigned to all users by default. At the top of the policy are general settings that turn on or off meeting features. If some settings aren't obvious, help is available right in the UI. Just select the More Information icon to learn more about them. Below that are audio and video settings, like enabling IP audio and video. Recording and transcription settings control whether Microsoft Teams generates meeting transcriptions or users can record meetings, and below that are content sharing settings that determine the sharing features available to users in meetings. The last section is Participants and Guests, which determines who can do what in meetings. I want to prevent anonymous users from joining meetings, so select Let Anonymous People Join a Meeting to toggle this setting off. Then select Save to update the policy. Done! Now all users who don't have a policy directly assigned to them, as a user or through group membership, will experience these org-wide meeting settings. In my example, meetings created by these users will not allow anonymous users to join. To learn more about using the Microsoft Teams Admin Center to edit meeting policies, see our documentation on Microsoft Docs.